Hey guys, welcome to my channel Easy Paintings by Ishita. Today I'll show you a very easy painting which will entirely be on wet technique. Very easy to do, very calming, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. Let's go ahead and get this started. To start, I'm just simply sketching out my turtle with a simple pencil on a 300 GSM 100% cotton watercolor paper. My turtle is now done. I'm wetting the entire sheet with some clear water with a mop brush, and the first color I'm applying is cobalt blue, and along with that cerulean blue. So guys, around the turtle be very careful so as to not go over it, and once you applied the blue, we will next go ahead and apply sap green color around the turtle. So guys, here my paper is still wet, being 100% cotton. If you are using a cellulose paper, which I personally love, make sure it is still wet, or else just put some water with your brush and then go over it with colors. So now I'm applying some black directly around the edges of the turtle. Guys, at this moment the colors are looking very intense and dark, but don't worry, watercolor dries up pretty light, so this black will fade up to be very grayish later. So do not hesitate to put some good colors onto it. And now, as my paper is still wet, I am applying some cadmium orange to get those beautiful blooms. So I'll be applying cadmium orange, along with that some crimson red and some sap green later to make these corals. And now, as the corals are drying, we will paint the turtle. So I've applied some water and I'm applying burnt umber. So the corals have dried up. I have taken a simple color pencil which is dark green in color, and I'm making these small planktons now. You can do the step with your paintbrush itself, but I prefer to use a colored pencil, so you can go as per your wish. So as the turtle dried up pretty faint, I am applying one more layer of burnt umber. And now I'm applying some clear water around the turtle to apply some more colors. Did you notice how the black color dried up so grayish? That is what happens when watercolor dries up. So I'm applying sap green along with some black around the edges of the turtle. So this is basically a rock and some algae on top of the rock, so it is blackish greenish. So that is what I'm trying to show here. And now with the white gel pen, you can go ahead and make the design on the shell, whatever you prefer. And now I'm outlining the entire body with the white gel pen. Creating the eyes now, so I made the oval shape for the eye with the white gel pen, and later I'll be filling up the inside with a black gel pen and again with white to make the iris. Now making the mouth with a black gel pen and splashing some colors around the water area. At this point, I wanted the painting to be a little more dramatic, so I again re-wet the water on the top, and I'm again applying some cerulean blue along with some cobalt blue on the very top. And now I'm re-wetting around the turtle to apply one more layer of sap green black to make some faraway planktons. Alright, time to sign up and remove the masking tape. So guys, this is how the end result looks. I'm pretty pleased with how it came up. I just hope that you try and make this yourself. If you do tag me on Instagram at Easy Paintings by Ishita. I would love to see your creation. Till then, I thank you very much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing, hitting the like button, sharing with your friends, and see you soon with another tutorial. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye-bye.